Hello, my name is Grace. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I was inspired by this broken Ilia lipstick to create my own lipstick palette in the same vein as the Rouge Beauty Paris lipstick palette created by Jean Demas. The idea behind this is that you would mix the colors together and create your own bespoke lip color. I've had my eye on this product for a while, and I have a bunch of old lipsticks that I love, and I thought, why not just make my own? So I found this empty little palette on Amazon, which I thought was very similar to the Rouge palette. It's not quite as weighty or gold or beautiful, but it's great. I am first starting by laying out what I think is going to be the palette, but it changed a little bit. The second lipstick was Kosas Fringe, which is very old. Rumba by Ilia was the next one. That is Electra by Kosas. Stardust by Kosas, and then this is Vegas by Kosas, which I didn't end up using in the palette, actually, the last one. But you'll see. So I started by warming up the lipsticks in a heating pad and then just trying to spread them into the palette like so. This is Rumba by Ilia. Guys, it was so messy. This was such a messy process. This is Fringe by Fringe by Kosas, which is my favorite red of all time. It's very bricky. I tried my best to clean up the palette after every lipstick insertion. This is Kosas Electra. Obviously, I really like Kosas and Ilia lipsticks. They're my favorite formula. This is Stardust. I just wanted some pink nudes and some reds. I feel like they blend well together, and so honestly, I could have left it there at the 4 because I liked those 4 together, but then I would have ignored Rosette, which is the inspiration for this palette. So here we go. I really like this color from Ilia. It's a very My Lips But Better color, except it's a little bit more cool toned, and part of the reason I wanted it in a palette anyway was because this is when it started to get dark outside. I just decided to make the last one a lip balm. This is Glossier Birthday Balmdotcom. I tried to include that lip balm because it is pretty solid before you rub it into your lips, and I felt like it would hold. So this is the finished palette. As a satisfying thing, I wanted to take off the plastic over the mirror with you guys. So yeah, this is my 6-pan lipstick palette, and I really enjoy it. I tried to clean it up as much as possible, but trust me, this was a very messy process, and it's probably would have been better if I had melted them, but it was just going to be really messy anyway. I ended up blending a bunch of them into my mouth and my cheeks. Did I ruin some of my lipsticks? Yes, that's why I decided not to put Vegas into the palette, because I thought, you know what, I use that one a lot on its own. So I didn't want to include it into this, but I got really nervous about halfway through the process that I was ruining all my makeup and it's all very expensive, but I will use this. I'm going to throw it in my handbag and not take as many lipsticks around with me anymore. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and tell me some of your favorite lipsticks that you would rather have in a palette than on their own. Bye!